man, it's your boy Bazz. Right now we on the west side with it. About to get ready to go out the West Bloomfield. We got a garage, just some more shit to go clean out, man. I need support, man. I'm telling you, media, man. We gotta get to the grind. With me working on housing and stuff like that, man, you'll never know where it's gonna lead you to at. Like y'all see, I be everywhere, east side, west side, but now I be out in West Bloomfield, Farmington Hills, Birmingham, man, just all type of shit, man. You don't never know where, you feel me, what opportunities it leads you to. I remember back in the day, we ain't never used to go out to them parts. Never. Now I'm out there, you feel me, I'm, you know, getting acclimated, man. But I'm gonna take y'all on the ground with me, man. Y'all about to see what it's like, man. Let's go get to it. So as y'all see, man, we finally made it. We got the task of cleaning all this out. All this out. You feel me? We're gonna see what else we gotta hit. But we made it though. We here, 40-minute drive. Dumpster came. Finished clearing out. Gotta see what's in the garage. But I'm gonna change first. Had to change in some ends. Ends working time, man. We already done cleared out the house, got a little stuff to clean up. Now we about to go in the garage, finish. Let's see what we working with. We already done cleared out most of the big stuff, so that ain't too bad. So now y'all see what we working with. It's time to get to work, man. It's your boy Bazz. Y'all know the only thing we know is eat. As y'all see, we kind of made a little dent. Nah, we done moved all the small debris to the middle. Got most of the big stuff out in the dumpster already. Shit, time to get back to it. Long day, man. After a few hours, shit is so complete. We done cleared this bitch out. Family support is the best support, baby. It's your boy Bazz, man. Another day in the dirt. You, babe, we get shit done. We get it done.